In this video, I will be covering the Medway Safeguarding Children Partnership Multi-Agency Training Catalogue. What will be covered in this video? The cost of training, cancellation policy, how to enrol into training, e-learning, delivered training, in-person training, training that takes place on Microsoft Teams, and our YouTube videos. The cost of training. For basic safeguarding children training and intermediate safeguarding children training, we will charge you £100 per delegate for private organisations and academies. All other training is free. E-learning training is free for all professionals based in Medway. There are 63 e-learning courses, and for each one you complete, you will be able to download a certificate. If you cannot attend a course, for any reason, you must tell us at least 5 working days before the course date. Tell us by emailing mscptraining@medway.gov.uk. If you fail to tell the MSCP, a cancellation charge of £100 may apply. Now I'm going to show you how to create a me-learning account. First, you're going to want to go to the MSCP website, which is www.medway.scp.org.uk/MSCB/. Then under the section for training for professionals, click on register for training. You will then be taken to this page. Under the section booking on the course, click on create your own account. You will then be taken to this form. Make sure you fill it out correctly. Once this form is done, click on sign up, and now you will have a me-learning account. How to enrol onto training through me-learning. First, you'll need to log into your me-learning account. If you do not have an account, you can create your own account. If you have any queries, please email mscptraining@medway.gov.uk. Once you've logged in, this is what you will see. This is the home page. Then you'll need to click on Browse Course. Then in the search bar, you'll be able to search for either e-learning courses, in-person training, or virtual training. For e-learning/digital training, you will need to click Enrol, and then you'll be able to start the training. Once the e-learning course is completed, you will be able to download a certificate. To access your certificate, go to My Completions and then click on the badge icon for any completed courses. For in-person training and virtual training, you will need to click on Book for the date you would like to attend. You will then need to complete a sign-up form. Here's an example of one. E-learning. There are currently 63 e-learning courses to pick from. Abuse related to beliefs in witchcraft, ADHD awareness, adult self-neglect, autism awareness, bullying and cyberbullying, child sexual exploitation level 1, child sexual exploitation level 2, conflict management, criminal exploitation and county lines, cultural awareness and safeguarding, disability awareness, domestic abuse and intimate partner violence, dysphagia awareness, eating disorders, effective communication with children and families, emotional abuse, equality and diversity, female genitalia mutilation, food allergy awareness, framework for the assessment of children and their families, gangs and youth violence, GDPR core for staff, gypsy and traveller cultural awareness, having difficult conversations, hidden harm, parental substance misuse, parental mental ill health and domestic abuse, honour-based violence and forced marriage, human trafficking and modern day slavery, information sharing and consent, keeping good records, learning disabilities awareness, lead professional, LGBTQ+ awareness, mental health awareness, missing children, multi-agency working, neglect, online safety risks to children, online safety for parents and carers, physical abuse, private fostering, safeguarding adults level 1, safeguarding against radicalisation, the prevent duty, safeguarding awareness for higher education, safeguarding children for education level 1, safeguarding children level 1, safeguarding children level 2, safeguarding children in sport, safeguarding children level 3, safeguarding children with disabilities, safer recruitment, self-harm, sexual abuse and recognising grooming, sexual harassment in education, substance misuse, suicide prevention, supporting male victims of domestic abuse, supporting mental well-being and emotional health in education, trauma awareness, unconscious bias, understanding behaviour of children and young people, understanding child development, violence reduction, whistleblowing. Here's our delivered training courses. There are two different types of delivered training. The first way is in person. These training courses tend to be full-day training. The second type will be delivered by Microsoft Teams, and this type of training tends to be for a few hours. In-person training. Basic Safeguarding Children training, which is CPD certified. Intermediate Safeguarding Children training. You need to complete basic safeguarding training prior to doing this training. Intermediate Safeguarding training is also CPD certified. Graded Care Profile 2, which is an NSPCC licensed training. Reduce Parental Conflict, Domestic Abuse and Safeguarding Children, Domestic Abuse, Stalking and Harassment and Honour-Based Violence, also known as DASH, Microsoft Teams. Local Authority Designated Officer, also known as LADO. Thresholds, making referrals, understanding and applying thresholds. Prevent awareness and radicalisation. Graded Care Profile 2 Refresher Training. You need to complete Graded Care Profile 2 training before you can do this training. Signs of Safety. Working with men and fathers. Here are our YouTube videos. The National Referral Mechanism webinar. Case Review Isabel. Challenge and Escalation Policy. Jones Family. Signs of Safety Mapping Bite-sized Video. Signs of Safety Scaling Bite-sized Video. Signs of Safety Strengths Question Bite-sized Video. And Kent Police Intel Portal webinar. Thank you. Remember, if you have any questions regarding training, to contact MSCP Training at medway.gov.uk.